Vast and misty cloud, bright and shining star. Kinlong has always been extending the product categories but stick to construction industry as the way of development over the past 21 years. Supplying products and long-term persistence, with specialism, good services and high quality, to different countries of the world, striving for better living condition, and promoting the civilization and progress of human being. Strong as diamond, bright as the sun and the moon. Kinlong supplies one-stop solution with integrated products, such as for commercial buildings, stadium projects, hotel projects, hospital projects, as well as metro station, parking lot system, school projects, residential buildings. Firstly, let's take a look about the products for commercial buildings, such as spider, rootle, clamp, post railing and 3D adjustment fittings, and accessing gate, anchor bolt, LED screen, etc. for metro station, also elevator, anchor channel, gasket etc. for office building. For hotel, we have flooring, lighting, sofa, interior products, etc. and escalator, post railing, LED screen, etc. for shopping mall. Also curtain, chair and ACP and switch products for meeting room, and dandle integration for interior room, such as gasket, screws, spacer, silicone, etc. and door patch with lock hardware, bathroom fittings, etc. For parking lot, we have floor painting, support and hanger, CCTV, etc. and school project, we have teaching appliance, lock hardware, etc. and ceiling unit with aluminum panel, kindergarten products, etc. for stadium, we have running track, seat, membrane fittings as well. In hospital, we can supply healthcare products, along with interior products, such as lock and door closer, etc. Also we supply forklift, industrial fan, dustbin, safety helmet, and supporting and protection products for factories. Furthermore, we have silicone, mohair, tapes, ACP, etc. for interior integration. For smart community, we have entrance gate, electric charger, CCTV system, etc. But we have done lots of project cases such as Suzhou City Residential Building, Nanjing City South Train Station, Hangzhou Olympic Sports Center, Wanda Shopping Mall Plaza, Shanghai World Trade Pit Hotel, Shandong University Project, Anhui Province Hospital, factory cases, and Chengdu Sports Park, Dongdu Villa affiliated projects. Looking forward for better living, Kinlong always keeps original intention to supply integrated products for construction industry, to win more trust and recognition from customers, by creating values with professionalism, good quality and sincere services, as well as constant development of product categories. Strong as diamond, bright as the sun and the moon. Kinlong Hardware.